Good morning, students. What does it mean board mass? Where we are using board mass rules. See, when we simplify the sum, maybe all the operations together, multiplication, addition and subtraction, division, all operations together. Now all the brackets are together. Which has to be solved first, which has to be solved second. There is some rules. That rule is known as board mass rules. B means bracket, not only one bracket, all the brackets. Then O means off. Then D means division, M multiplication, A addition and S subtraction. Brackets, O off, D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction. In this brackets, which order we have to solve the brackets? Some order is there that I am going to show. Brackets, this is said to be as a bar bracket that has to be written upside the number. This bracket is said to be as a bar bracket. Then this is said to be as a curve bracket. This is said to be as a curve bracket. Then this is said to be as a curly bracket. This is said to be as a curly bracket. Then the last one, this is square bracket. This is bar bracket, but in this 6th standard you are not using the bar bracket. And next one, curve bracket. These two are curly brackets. Last one is said to be as a square brackets. Look at again. This is said to be as a bar bracket. These two are said to be as a curve bracket. These two are curly bracket. The last one is square bracket. In this order you have to solve. First bar bracket, then curve, then curly, the last one square bracket. After solving all the brackets, then you should go for off. Off means multiplication. Then also you have to solve the off, then you should go for the division. Off, then division, then you should go for the multiplication, then you should go for the addition. See, when addition and subtraction come together, you can solve in the line. You can subtract. Suppose subtraction is given there, you can do the subtraction first, then you go for the addition. It is not wrong. But till here, all the brackets, first you solve all the brackets, then you come to the off, then you come to the division, then you come to the multiplication, addition and subtraction. Simple sum we are going to see there. This not all the brackets because that bar bracket is not there in your textbook, so we are not going to do the bar bracket. The curve bracket, curly and square, off, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Only one simple sum. Not a simple sum, all the operations are together. That sum I will solve, then easily you can understand. The sum is 2 multiplied by 9 divided by 3 of 3 plus square bracket 6 plus curly bracket 8 multiplied by curve bracket started 6 plus 4 curve bracket closed divided by 10, then curly bracket, the last one is square bracket. Now 6 plus 4 curve bracket has to be solved first. Underline it. Remaining you write as it is. Put equal sign. Remaining you write as it is. Eight multiplied by 6 plus 4, 10. Once it gets over, remove the bracket. Don't write the bracket again. 6 multiplied by 4 is equal to 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Then divided by 10, then curly bracket, then square bracket. In this, next curly bracket has to be solved. The curly bracket also, division has to be solved first. So, underline the division. Remaining you write as it is. 2 multiply by 9 divided by 3 of 3 plus square bracket 6 plus curly bracket 8 multiply by 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. Then curly bracket close, then square bracket. Now 8 multiply, you have to do the curly bracket, that is 8 multiply by 1 is equal to 8. So remaining write as it is. 2 multiply by 9 divided by 3 of 3 plus square bracket started 6. Then once it gets over, means curly bracket, you did the operation, means 8 multiply by 1 is equal to 8. You remove the bracket. 6 plus 8, put the square bracket. Now which has to be solved afterwards? Square bracket. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. 2 multiply by 9 divided by 3 of 3 and remove the square bracket. Remove the square bracket. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14 plus 14. See again, now look at here, of, division, multiplication. In this, which has to be solved first? Of. So remaining you write as it is. 2 multiply by 9 divided by, of means multiplication, 3 multiply by 3 is equal to 9. Remove this 3 of 3. Instead of that, you are writing 3 of 3 is equal to 9 plus 14. Now again, multiplication, division and addition. Which has to be solved first? Division. So 9 divided by 9. Remaining you write as it is. 2 into 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1 plus 14. Plus 14. Now this is multiplication and addition. Which has to be solved first? First you have to solve the multiplication. 2 multiply by 1 is equal to 2. Then you write plus 14. 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. 16 is the answer. 16 is the answer. Again I will come one more time. 6 plus 4, 10. Remove the curve bracket, write 10 here. Then 8 multiply by 10 divided by 10. Then multiplication, division. Which has to be solved first? Division. So 10 divided by 10 is equal to 1. Then curly bracket, square bracket, remaining has to be written as it is. Then now 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. Once the operation gets over, remove the bracket. 8 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8. Now remove the curly bracket. Now this square bracket. Square bracket 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Again 6 plus 8, 14. You got the answer. Then again remove the square bracket. Don't put the square bracket again. You will get confused. Once operation gets over, remove the bracket. You can remove the square bracket. You write 14. Now here of, multiplication, division. You know which has to be solved first? Of. So 3 of 3, that is equal to, of means multiplication. Then also you have to solve the of first, then only you come to the division. So 3 of 3 is equal to 9. So you write 9 here. Then in this multiplication, division, addition. Which has to be solved first? Division. So 9 divided by 9 is equal to 1. So next multiplication and addition. Obviously you have to solve the multiplication first. 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Then plus 14 and 2 plus 14 is equal to 16. 16 is the answer. See here only that integers I did not solve without the sign, simply I put the sign addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. But integers, one more sum we will solve afterwards. This is first I am teaching, so I am solving the simple sum.